So first of all, just rest the tip onto the wax block and you can make a line. Now the slot must be touching the card. If it's not, nothing comes out. Whereas if it is, it does. You can make lines and spots. And if you think about it, that's pretty much what a pen does. Lines and spots. Let's just turn this over. To clean the tip, put it down onto a piece of tissue and just pinch and pull, and now it's clean. Now I'm going to show you some dragonflies because lots of people ask me about these. Make a spot and flick twice, turn the card and flick back 2 more times. So you've got a sort of a little smiling face there. Take some colour in front of the wings and flick back, and then you have your tail. For the castle structures, just clean it off again, I'm using the number 12, the red violet, and the number 10, the ultramarine. And I'm starting off by making some structures like these. And these are just heavy, solid structures. And then work up those structures. And at the top, flick. So you work up the structure, at the top stop, and then flick. Now your flick must be parallel to the edge of the card, otherwise the thing doesn't look as though it's standing up. So that's a quick intro, dragonflies and castles.